हेलो बच्चों, let's see the question. A wire of density 9 gram per centimeter cube is stretched between two clamps 100 centimeter apart while subjected to an extension of 0.05 centimeter. What is the lowest frequency of transverse vibration in the wire? Assuming Young's modulus of the material to be 9 to the 11 dyne per centimeter cube. As we know that the mass per unit length is m is equal to m by, or it can be al rho by l. It is rho a. If Young's modulus is given, we have to know value of y is equal to stress upon strain, and it will be T by A upon delta L by L. So T will be y delta L into A by L. Now the lowest frequency is n is equal to 1 upon 2L T by M. So n is equal to 1 upon 2L y delta L by L into A upon rho A. It will be 12 y delta L rho L, and putting all the values of L, which is 1, y, which is 9 into 10 to the power 11, converting into dyne, it will be 10. It will be 4.9 into 10 minus 4. Rho is 9 into 10 to the power 3, and L is 1. After solving, it will be 35 Hz. So our correct answer is 35 Hz. I hope you understood. It will best of luck.